Hello, children. Good morning. I think you were waiting for my video, na? So, in the last video, as you all know, we have discussed types of plants. So, we have covered herbs, shrubs, and trees. So, in this session today, let us talk about climbers and creepers. So, see, what are climbers? See, I have made this plant for you in the right section. Do you know which plant is this? This is a grapevine plant, grapes ka plant hai. So let's see what are climbers. The plants which cannot stand straight and need a support to climb are called climbers. Huh? What do you know about climbers? ऐसे plants which cannot stand straight. Huh? Those who are not able to stand straight, these stems are not capable to be straight, so these plants wants a kind of support, a kind of stick support, a kind of wall support, any type of support these plants are want. So these plants are called climbers. They cannot stand straight on their own. So see some qualities of climbers. Climbers are very weak plants. As I told you that they cannot stand straight, so these plants are very weak. They have very soft stem and so they cannot stand straight on their own. Because of their stems, they are not very much strong. So these plants cannot stand their own. So money plants and grapevine plants are some examples of these climbers. We will discuss later. Let's see. They have spiral like special structures called tendrils. See what? As I told you, these I made for you this grapevine. This is an example of this climbers. So are you watching some spiral structures? ऐसे गोल structures बने हैं. I have made an arrow. See, ये जो red color का arrow दिखा रहा है, this is a spiral structure ना, गोल spring की तरह है. So these structures are called tendrils. These tendrils help this plant to move straight with the help of any kind of straight structure like any wall, any type of straight stick. So these tendrils helps them to climb a support like a rod or a ट्री. एक ट्री की तरह, एक रॉड की तरह उसको स्टैंड स्ट्रेट रखने के लिए ये टेंड्रिल्स इन प्लांट्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं. सो like money plant and grapevines are example of some climbers na. See, this is a money plant. Look at this picture. These stems are hanging like na. So this has a kind of support behind this plant. इस plant के पीछे एक तरीके का support है इस plant को, जिस support की वजह से this plant is growing upwards with the help of any support. Now let us talk about creepers. What are creepers? See this picture. This is a picture of pumpkin. So let us discuss about creepers. The plants which cannot stand straight and spread on the ground are called creepers. Creepers कौन से होते हैं? Those plants which cannot stand straight. They are also not capable to stand straight like climbers, but the climbers need a straight support to grow, but creepers spread on the ground. They have not any kind of support. They spread on the ground. These plants are called creepers. See, creepers are also very weak plants like climbers also. They are also weak plants because their stems are not capable to be straight. They have very soft stem and so they cannot stand straight. Also they cannot climb a support. Their stems are not very much capable. Their stems are not strong. They are weak plants. So they also cannot stand straight and also cannot climb विद अ सपोर्ट. हाँ, जैसे कि क्लाइंबर्स में एक सपोर्ट दे देते हैं प्लांट को, तो दे कैन मूव अपवर्ड्स ना, बट क्रीपर्स डू नॉट मूव अपवर्ड्स. सो दे क्रीप अलॉन्ग द ग्राउंड एंड स्प्रेड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ एन एरिया. सो वो एक सरफेस पे ही ग्रो कर सकते हैं. एक मतलब जैसे लाइक एनी एरिया इज़ गिवन ना, एक ग्राउंड है, वो उसी ग्राउंड पर नीचे ही सपोर्ट ले करके ग्रो कर सकते हैं. सो दे आर नोन एज क्रीपर्स. एज यू वॉचिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन दिस पम्पकिन प्लांट्स ना, दे आर नॉट मूविंग अपवर्ड्स. Their stems are too weak, so they will grow only on the ground. They usually bear big fruits. Pumpkin and watermelon are some examples. इनकी stems तो बहुत weak होती है, but this plant is having very big fruits like pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. So they bear a big fruits and they are not having any kind of support. So they move on along the ground. See the example. Which picture is this? This is a picture of pumpkin. As you all are seeing that they are not much taller. They are not moving upwards. The fruits are on the ground. So because of this, having this kind of like big fruits, they spread on the ground only. See, this is a picture of what? Watermelon. So this is also having very very weak stem. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं कितनी पतली पतली stems हैं इसकी. So because of these weak stems, इसी weak stem की वजह से ये ऊपर की तरफ ग्रो ही नहीं कर पाते हैं, और उनके fruits भी very much big, very much heavy. So they move on the straight ground and having a fruits also. So I really wish that you understood what are climbers and what are creepers. So bye bye.